questions, don't as you wrote something here.
Sleep information record.
Don't overthink things, baby, 'cause I know that you do.
Guys, I'm going to give you guys a tour of my sketchbook. I just got it, but I've drawn some things. I'm using it to practice my art because I just don't want to. I'm a digital artist, like I like drawing on my device. For now, I'm using my phone to draw, and these stylus. Prosper, can I hear myself, please? And this stylus. So, hoping to get an iPad or a tablet very soon. So until then, I draw with my phone. I'm working on the art currently. I'm going to show you guys later. And this is one of my arts. I use that as my wallpaper. So let me just give you guys a tour of my sketchbook. So when you open my sketchbook, you're going to see this beyond arts, and then this stuff and this design made here by me. I was just goofing around that day. So I draw this this floss design. I saw it in one of the teeth floss I have at home. I just drew it, and then I did this design here. And then this coffee cup, this music symbol, and then this little ear headset, another big headset here, another coffee cup. I wrote something here, then I did this star design. I hope you guys can see this thing very clearly. Then this beautiful tree we have here, lips, and then the next one I have is the place where Prosper, stop. This is the part where I draw eyes. Still learning. I love this one so much. I started with this, I drew this, and then this. Before this, I'm still working on this. If you look closely, you see I'm still working on it, but this is the one I drew last, and this is so nice. I'm still going to turn this to a digital art. I've taken cute pictures of it. I'm going to leave it on the screen. I've taken pictures of it. I'm going to turn it to a digital art. And then I have another slide, which is the last slide for now, for coffee cups. So this is the one I drew, and this is the second one, this is the third one. I date them just so, Prosper, stop. I put date on them just so I know the exact day I drew them. So if you watch, you're going to see date here. So this is just a tour of my sketchbook, still working on it. So I'm going to give you guys a tour of my digital art apps. So guys, I'm going to show you guys my Pinterest. I hope you guys can see this, I don't know what's wrong with my camera these days. So this is my Pinterest, but this is my, let me show you guys my board on Pinterest. Let me just show you guys that. I'll just click over there. Over here I made this, so I made this Jesus wallpaper some time ago. Prosper, stop, you're disturbing my peace. Then I made this one some time ago, and I also made this ask questions, don't assume, and then I made this one some time ago. And then what else? Let me show you guys the other ones I made again. Let me go over to my other account. I have 2 accounts on Pinterest. It doesn't want to show, but this is all these things you can see here is actually what I created. Everything you see here was done by me. So, and even these ones here, these are all my stuff on Pinterest, my art account. So let me just show you guys a tour of my sketchbook. So as you all know, I use IBS Paint on my iPhone. I use 3 apps, but I like to use 2 particularly. So I use IBS Paint, and this is what my board looked like recently when I started my art. So this is the first art I did. This is the first one I did. Like when I started again, I did one, but I deleted it. I did one for comfort. Maybe I'm going to ask her to send me that picture. That picture was very funny. I did that one. So this is one of, after comfort when I did this one, and then I did this wallpaper, very cute, beautiful wallpaper. I did this one again, and then this. Then I went ahead to do this one, and after that I went ahead to do this and this one, then this one, this. I've not summoned courage to post this picture. Then look at this one of myself I did. Anytime I look at this picture, I'll be like, waiting be this now. Who did this to me? I feel so bad about this picture, and I'm still going to redo it and make it look very good because I'm better now. You will see the growth. You see the growth. Just follow the pictures, you see the growth. I made this and I did this one. You see the growth. This Pelumi's own I did, and this one, this, you're going to see the growth. This one I'm still drawing. I've not finished it because it's too stressful. So I did this, compared this one to that my own I did. Like, you guys, the improvement is very clear. I did this one, comfort, I did this, and I'm currently doing this one. I'm not yet done. So I'm going to show you guys my other app. Like I told you guys, I use 2 apps. So I'm going to show you guys this one. So this is the first art I did on this my sketchbook. So this is the first one. I did this one, and then let's go back to gallery. Why now? So after this, I did this particular one here, and then after that I went ahead to do this one here. You can see it very well. So after that I went ahead to do this. Let me keep opening it for you guys. So this is the next one, and then after that I did this one with the beautiful luscious braid. Wow. Then after that I went ahead, I did this, and I posted this one with different colors on Instagram. And after that I did this one, and then after that I did this one for the Christmas season, the vibe and all of those stuff. After that I just did this one, just like a background stuff. So let me show you guys my last sketchbook. So this is the last but not the least. So let me just take you guys to the gallery. So this one is my wallpaper I showed you guys, and then this was what I showed you guys. Then after that, this one is next. I also posted this on my Instagram account. So these are all the stuff.
So I started a kinky twist wig. This is how it looks like. This is the front that will later be styled. Still working on it. I still have this piece left. So this is the back. This is what the back looks like. Closer look. Because I'm tired of always wasting my kinky anytime I make it. So just going to finish it up. Just going to fill in this area and then style it and come back to you guys with the finished look.
My camera battery is actually low, and I was just called from the post office right now that one of my parcels just arrived from AliExpress. Something I ordered since December 2nd or 3rd week, and the things I ordered with it, they are here already, and this one is taking the whole time, but finally it has arrived. So I should come and collect it from post office. So I'm going to be going to the post office to collect it. I'm going to be filming with my phone because my camera is actually low and all of those stuff. So come along with me. I'm going to be taking Prosper along because he has not started school for the term. He's still having his one last break before he starts school next week, hopefully, fingers crossed. So come along with me. How are you guys doing? Welcome back to another vlog. If you've not joined my family, kindly join my family, turn on your notification, hit the subscribe button, and leave me a constructive comment. So let's do this, guys.
You guys, the sun is so much. I even regret wearing this wig. Do you know if I should go back home and go and tie scarf? Because I cannot deal though. The sun is too hot. The sun is too hot. Now come and beg. I can't do. So far I changed my mind. I'm currently going back home now to go and tie scarf. I beg. I can't deal with this wig. It's causing heat for me. So I'm just going to tie any of the scarf I have at home. I beg. Like I was saying, fam, the sun is already hot. Make we not go the fool ourselves. I have to go and remove that wig, I beg, so that the heat can reduce. The sun is already hot. We know they form fine. We won't do fine thing at the expense of our comfort. And me, I choose comfort over anything. So I'm currently going to the post office now to get my parcel from AliExpress that has lingered. That's why I don't like night posts, because they have this tendency of holding your parcel for almost 1 month before you get it. If you speed up 2 weeks, you've gotten what you're looking for. So let's do this. So far, I'm currently filming with my phone, and look at Prosper. I hope you guys can see me. We are currently going to the post office. So far, I just came back from the post office right now, and I'm currently filming my phone. So I came back from the post office, and this is what we have here. So I'm just going to do an unboxing for you guys, so you see what is in there. So this is the smart band watch I ordered from AliExpress. I ordered it alongside this wristband. Like, I ordered an extra band from the smartwatch, and this came in 2 weeks ago. Per se, 2 weeks ago. It came in. It was delivered through SpeedUp, which is the delivery company that normally delivers my goods, my parcel. Those ones, they deliver so fast. 2 weeks maximum. You've gotten your parcel from AliExpress. But these people sent the smart band watch through 𝑦Post. And 𝑦Post wahala is too much. 𝑦Post only can take up to a month before it gets to you. I was even scared that I'm not going to get this smartwatch, but glory be to God, I was called today to come and collect it. So this is what we have here. I've unboxed it. So this is what we have here. This is what it looks like. This is Smart Band 7. This is like a clone of the Mi Band, the 𝑖𝑥omi Mi Band. So, and it's way cheaper, and that's why I got it. So this is what the pack looks like. I hope you guys can see. And this is the side. It says up to 30 workout mode, data tracking and automatic workout detection, water resistant up to 50 meters, swimming, stroke recognition, reliable sleep information recording, and magnetic charging. So this is what it looks like, and this is the back. It says that the standby time is 45 days. Maybe the time is going to work or so. Working time is,
I don't know what that start by time means. I don't know, but the working time is 4 to 7 days. The display is 0.96, and then it's supported. Android is supported by, you can work on Android, iOS above 8.5. Then it has a charging chip and Bluetooth 4.0 connection. So let me just unbox it for you guys. I think I'm talking too much. I'm so happy for this because right now, so this is what we have. We have an instruction manual here, wristband instruction manual, and then all the good stuff that comes with it. For this wristband, I'm going to be installing the Fit Pro app. I guess it works with the Fit Pro app, but I'm going to be installing it using this code. This code here, this barcode stuff, I'm going to be using it, scanning it to install the app, and we are good to go. So we have the charger. This is what you use to charge the watch, the wristband, the smart band, and I have another band. This one is the VLLO. This one comes with the smart band, so you can see the resemblance between the both of them. I have two bands now, so this comes with it, and then we have the smart band itself, which is the watch. So I'm just going to set it up and come back to you guys. I'm going to be downloading the app, the Fit Pro app, with my phone. Then I'm going to come back to you guys. Let me see if it's going to turn on. So let's just press and see if it's charged or not. You know, it has gone through a lot. It's not turning on because the battery is actually low. So I'm just going to charge it and then come back to you guys. This is how it works. I hope I'm able to. I don't understand. I don't even know how to fix this thing. Then how am I going to charge it? Wow. Wahala. Okay, I've connected it. So this is connected like this. So I'm just going to plug it, and fingers crossed it works. To plug it here, as you can see, it has turned on. So it's charging, currently charging now. I'm going to wait for it to finish charging, then I finish the setup and get back to you guys. So far, this is what we look like. I hope you guys can see. This is what it looks like. So far, this is the band it came with. This is the band it came with.